ibibigay kung next week pa. Aba, doon na sa Titan game yan sa July 25.
Yung mga tira ng Macau coming from the outside. Ito, tumatakbo ang paano nila pipigilin dito si George King, especially once he gets his offensive game going. Naku,
Reverse to Jean Cobra.
ang ganda ng mga pasa. Kita-kita natin. Ang linis ng baril.
And alam mo ba, Tadine, dun sa thought he was fouled, action will continue.
Second time he's missed from point-blank range. Ito na naman.
Trollano tumukod. Brondial doing Brondial things. Matalas. Brondial kicks. Perez on the move. Perry in front. Perez trying to go to the Pinoy step. Rotman Brondial with a cleanup. Damien Chongqing joined on the floor here by Lee, who puts up a three. Raymond Chow now part of the starting unit para dito sa Macau.
Making the extra pass, finding the right spots on the floor, and improving their ball screen execution, particularly involving their big men.
It is a 9-3.
Pasok ni Ramon Chow, yung kanyang roll. Here's a four-pointer.
Chow misses. Brondial pulls it down.
Instead of switching on ball screens to protect the paint, si Coach Marcos naman meanwhile stressed the importance of securing rebounds and communicating consistently on defense.
He's got 14 points. Check that. Kanina nabanggit natin he had 17. But he's coming close to that.
King back on the floor. Misi inside. Shot no. Rebound number 18. Put back is good. Brondial. Nililitsyon ang Macau.
Wailang Macau 44.9.
Perry inside. Bitin pa rin.
Another rebound here for Rodney Brondial.
Perez dancing.
He's
Brondial inside again. What a game para kay Rotman Brondial.
Perry. And he will score. Oh, he does not score. Another rebound coming from Brondial.
Nangyari doon.
Oh, here. Almost a steal there by Chan.
San Miguel, iniisip din yung quotient na yan. Naka-rebound pa si Brondial pero hindi na nakatira. What a game for Rodney Brondial and the rest of the Beermen. Tulong-tulong lahat sa scoring. But everything else, take down Macau. Player of the game natin sa atin ang Sports Plus.
Pumayod si Rodney Brondial. What a game. A double-double para sa kanya. 10 points, 25 rebounds with 7 assists. What about the 4 steals? And the percentage from the field, he was plus 35. Efficiency in this game. Brondial, well-deserved. Best player of the game honors para sa kanya.
Luis Buhay, biniwan sa atin, pinakita sa atin dito ni Rodney Brondial, filling in the large shoes.
What a crazy stat line. Congratulations to our player of the game, Rodney Brondial. Rodney, parang kami hirap na hirap to describe these kinds of numbers. Tulungan mo naman kami. How will you just react to those numbers you put up tonight?
Siguro kailangan ko lumabas sa mundo ng mga halimaw kasi wala si Junmar eh. Kaya kailangan mag-effort tayo.
Nakakatuwa rin panoorin yung mga Adamson boys, Rodney. At ngayon na meron pa kayong dagdag dyan with Jerica Hanmisi. Paano rin naging mas masaya pa at mas maganda pa yung inyong pinakita?
Oo naman, yun, siyempre, alam naman natin yung kakayahan ni Jerica Hanmisi, tapos sobrang shooter. So, malaking tulong siya sa team namin. And yun naman, welcome naman namin siya dun sa group namin. And malaking tulong talaga siya.
With you guys not knowing when Junmar will be back, ano ba yung itatatak mo sa isip mo as we go further this conference?
Ano lang, trabaho lang ako, ano yung mabigay sa aking opportunity, palagi naman. Ano lang ako, ready lang palagi. Yun lang, kung mapapadali natin yung trabaho ng mga teammates natin.
Alam ko marami kang nais batiin. Go ahead, Rodney.
And, syempre, shoutout dun sa buong sa San Miguel fans, sa family ko, sa mga taga-Pao, and syempre to my family back in Sweden, my brother. I know my brother Mats is watching. Shout out to you, and yun, and sa lahat ng sa mga tropa kong seaman, God bless sa inyong lahat.
Thank you so much, Rodney. Let's now turn it over to the press conference room.